What is up, guys? Ivan here, coming at you today on behalf of getivan.com, and I'd like to welcome you to this video on my do-it-yourself white hat SEO guide. So what is this about? Well, over the years that I've been doing SEO, I have serviced dozens and dozens and dozens of business owners across a wide variety of niches and industries on their SEO strategies. And I have found that over 99% of the businesses that I consult with are having the same issues. And so years ago, I built an SEO guide, and I included it in a consultation package, basically performing audits and keyword research and trying to help businesses better understand what their problems are and what we can do moving forward to help solve those problems. And at some point, I figured out that the problems are so consistently the same that if I simply created an organized package covering those problems, it would be a lot easier for those business owners and their staff to fix those problems themselves rather than turning around and going and hiring an SEO implementation expert and paying 1,000% markup or whatever. And so that's what I've been doing over the years. I built this guide. I've been refining it for years. And I have a membership over on getivan.com where you can purchase the guide for a much lower rate and get access to the membership and go through the materials yourself and implement those changes. And so it's easy enough for any business owner to implement. And if you have any questions or issues or concerns, I'm always around to answer those questions. But I've been doing this for enough years that I'm pretty confident that I've anticipated most concerns. So be sure to check it out. Check out the link below this video, and I will catch you later. Thanks. Bye-bye.